Hi, this is Clancy Boyer at Marinemax in Fort Myers, Florida. Welcome aboard the 380 Outrage. This is a 2021 model, and the reason I'm shooting this video is today is October 20th. I want to show you the condition of this boat after the storm that hit the U.S. I just want you to be sure that the boat's in fantastic shape. I have a lot of photos of the boat also online that you can look at, but I wanted you to be able to physically see on a video anyway that the boat is fine. It fared very, very well. We've had a lot of boat destruction, throughout Florida and other areas of the U.S., and I want you to be assured that this boat is not one of them, okay? So this is a 2021 model, as I said. It has good hours on it, one owner boat. The gentleman has purchased multiple whalers, and I want you to come aboard and take a look at the boat. It's got 1,200 horsepower, so it moves along very well. And a very rare feature on this boat is it has a tower along with a seakeeper. So the gyro stabilizer keeps you from rocking around as much. Nice feature to have, and a lot of the boats don't have it. And very few have a tower. There may not be another one in the United States right now with a tower on it for sale. So come on aboard. All right, so let's take a look at some of the features and benefits of this boat. This particular boat has a 60-gallon live well in the back, has massive fish boxes along the side on both sides that are insulated, so it's easy to ice your fish down. With other fishing features, you have an 11-foot, 8-inch beam, so you have a lot of space back here, a door that opens up to be able to drag the fish in, or you have a solid ladder right here that hooks into the floor and goes down if you're beaching or swimming around. It's nice having that solid ladder instead of something that telescopes out and it's kind of wobbly. If you're out fishing and enjoying the day and you want to extend it, you get hungry, you can always grill up some fish or a burger with your Kenyon grill here, prep station, paper towel holder. You have lots of tackle center here for your fishing gear to be able to rig things up, rod holders on the side, rocket launchers here. And this is really a nice feature. You've got a shade that powers out and comes all the way back to this seat, which opens up. So if you're just relaxing, hanging out, you can sit down on this seat. Actually a very, very comfortable place to ride when you're underway because the boat's pounding the waves and you're staying pretty still in the back. So it's actually a very nice seat to sit in. All right, let's take a look at a few more things. Okay, here we are at the helm area. I want you to notice that we have triple seats with armrests. It has the upgraded whaler seats, the bolsters that fold up. I have the floor down right now, so if you like, you can fold that up and you lose about 4 inches of height, so I'd be down here. You have your seakeeper control, your vessel view, your big screen for your GPS, upgraded fusion stereo system, auto trim tabs, and this boat comes equipped with a joystick, and you won't see this very often, but it's got the joystick system along with skyhook, but it also has a bow thruster. So you have AC vents here, blowing cold air on you, places to charge your phone. All of your controls are here at your fingertips, tilt steering. The captain's seat is adjustable here, power seat. First mate's got a fold down footrest just to make it more comfortable. This seat has footrest in front of it. And you have great visibility here. You have a window that opens up and you get a lot of air pumping through. So it's a very comfortable place to be. If the weather gets inclement, starts raining, gets cold, whatever, this is good shelter, good place to be. So let's take a look at the front of the boat. All right, this is where this boat really shines over other boats. You have a massive area here with fold down armrests. This armrest has cup holders in it. 2 or 3 people can sit here, relax. Just a great seat. You can really sit back. This thing's huge. I'm 6'2" and not close to getting to the end of it. But beyond that, you have a lot of seating up front. These backrests actually pop up also, so you can have a backrest and face forward. Storage underneath all of these. And then underneath here, you have a massive storage area. Very, very deep. He has life jackets in it and a lot more life jackets. A lot of the covers. This boat actually comes with a bow cover system, which is really nice if you're fishing or hanging out at the beach just to get that extra shade. So if you're hanging out on the front of the boat, you have stereo controls, chargers, things like that. So you can be comfortable wherever you're at. Plenty of rod holders up here if you want to fish off the front. There's 8 rod holders right here. I mean, there's rod holders all over this boat. So it's ready to fish. ready to have fun, ready for family, friends, whatever you want to do. So as we're up front, if you turn around and look up above, there's an upper station. So that's what sets this boat apart from the others that are out there. This upper station is really cool. I've done a helicopter video with clients up on top. We've been running along and just lean a boat over in a turn, and it's just a blast. It's a thrill ride up above. It makes a boat totally different. Plus, the big advantage is you can really spot fish from up there. You can see things that people down below can't begin to see. So it's just really a cool place to run the boat from, be able to see different things, have an advantage of vision when you're docking or going through somewhere. And it's just a comfortable ride. So you can sit 3 people up there and really enjoy it. So let's take a look at the cabin. All right, so down in the cabin, if you're like me, you have some pretty nice rods and reels that you don't use enough. So that's what this is for. This is a place to store your good stuff inside to keep it safe, keep it dry, a little more theft proof. Huge air conditioning vents down here. This area is very, very comfortable with the AC on. This table folds down, this becomes a bunk. You have a full walk-in head here, full stand-up head, which is really nice. Dedicated trash can, great teak floor, steps coming down, nice bowl. Just really well done down here. You have screens for the windows and you can open them up and get fresh air. So also enhancing a natural light down below to make it comfortable down here. You have a very large skylight. It's tinted so it doesn't get hot and lets the air conditioner do its job, but it lets in a lot of natural light. So this is our example of a 2021 380 Outrage. The boat has an upper station, has Seakeeper, great electronics. The boat is ready to roll. It is ready to go. Just needs to be detailed, which we're going to do for you. We'll get it detailed and ready to run. But just wanted to assure you, with it being October 20th, that this boat is not affected from the storm. We had one little piece of thin canvas that doesn't pull off that tore on the very top, and we're going to take care of that for you, put new canvas on for you. Other than that, this boat was stored high and dry and has no water issues and no issues of any kind. It's ready to go. So give me a call, Clancy Boyer. My number is 573-470-7776, and I'd be happy to show this boat to you or send you more information. Just let me know what you need. Have a great day.